We start right now with some major news involving a lawsuit against Snapchat. Now, a judge has ruled that a case blaming the popular messaging app for the fentanyl deaths of at least 60 young people can, in fact, move forward. Now, just earlier this year, relatives of the teens who died, they sued the platform for allegedly facilitating the trade of illegal drugs.
So why is this development a big deal? Because cases involving social media companies are often thrown out in the early stages due to a federal statute that shields social media companies from liability. Snapchat has denied any legal involvement with the overdose deaths. NBC News correspondent Valerie Castro and NBC News legal analyst Danny Savalos join us now. Valerie, I'll start with you. So for those who haven't been following this lawsuit, it's a pretty big lawsuit. Give us the background of what these families are saying.
Right. So the families say that they believe Snapchat basically creates an environment that makes it too easy for drug dealers to find children on the app, especially vulnerable kids. They take issue with the app's disappearing message feature. Some of them believe that the algorithm also plays into this. They really want to see third-party safety features implemented so parents can monitor what their children are doing on the app. I spoke to Samuel Chapman. His son Sammy passed away in 2020. His family says he bought drugs through Snapchat. He was 16 years old, and they say that whatever he bought was laced with fentanyl, and that is what led to his death. So I spoke to Samuel earlier about how he feels about this case moving another step closer, and here's what he had to say.
That's all we're asking for, is a chance to be heard. And I believe that once these social media companies are allowed to be sued by parents like us, that they'll change their behavior. This has been the missing piece, the idea that there's someone interacting with our children every day that is immune from lawsuits is inherently dangerous. I know that doesn't sound dangerous, but it turns out that's very dangerous because the parents don't have recourse.
And guys, what's so heartbreaking is that Samuel says justice for his family has passed, he believes, but he really hopes that this lawsuit moving a step closer could help save other families in the future.
Which is interesting because Samuel said something very interesting. He said, which allows these companies to be sued. Just that phrase alone, Danny, we talked about that federal statute that generally protects companies like this. Why then is this case allowed to move forward?
The Communications Decency Act is a law that generally provides some immunity for a company like Snapchat, a platform that maybe hosts third-party content. But it's not absolute forever and always immunity. That's the theme of this opinion. Sometimes these companies, if they are a participant, if they are involved in the creation of content, they may be held liable if they are more than simply a marketplace for ideas. The challenge is, in the digital era, determining what facts support a finding that a company like Snapchat participated or was involved, or if they were merely a bystander hosting third-party content on their platform.
Yeah, and this judge is saying we can move forward. That doesn't mean anybody's going to win at this point, right? It's just we can keep going.
I can't stress that enough. This is called a demurrer or a motion to dismiss. Basically, all it does is allow the plaintiff to move forward. It expresses no opinion as to whether or not they have a strong case, a good case. All it says that, and this is the standard, just so you can sort of play along at home, does the plaintiff state a theory that is cognizable? Is it something that is possible, plausible? Right. Then they'll be allowed to go forward.
Snapchat put out a statement that I want to get to. They said, while we are committed to advancing our efforts to stop drug dealers from engaging in illegal activity on Snapchat, we believe the plaintiff's allegations are both legally and factually flawed and will continue to defend that position in court. Could we, because it's moving forward, learn more about Snapchat and their policies and practices through discovery, that process where documents come up in court?
It's been so shrouded in secrecy until now.
Yes, and that process will be beginning shortly now in this case. And discovery is a period where the parties exchange information about each other. And Snapchat will be able to discover information about the plaintiffs. But companies, maybe like Snapchat, often have a very, very compelling interest in not allowing their internal documents to get out to the public. So this could be a tremendous pressure on Snapchat to possibly resolve this case now that they've lost this motion.
And a critical look inside. All right, Valerie Castro, Danny Savalos, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.